Welcome to our channel. Today we are try to understand the steps for making a block model. Block modeling steps. First step will be the creating the host 3D file. How it created and what the file required for creating host 3D file we have already learned in our previous chapter. Please go and see the video and try to understand and learn the how to create a host 3D file. Then we should to apply the legends on host 3D. We should first make the legends on host drill holes file, then apply the legends on host 3D file. How to make a legends and how it should be applied on host 3D drill holes. We have already learned in our previous chapter. Then we will load the drill holes on design window, and for creating a ore body modeling, and we have to create a section on drill holes. How to create a section on drill holes? So we should to first make a view definition. We have to go to all sections. We have to go on all section and make a view, and then save that view. That will create a section definition file. Then get view for every section. So following this step, we can create a section definition file. Section definition file, and we have required a topographical surfacial topography that called TopoTR. How to make it TopoTR? I have make a video separate video for this chapter. Please go and see how to make a TopoTR. Basically a surface contour, wireframe of surface contour. Then the most important is a wireframe, or we can say the wireframe of every ore body and waste body. That's called a ore body modeling. Wireframe of every ore body, like every lithology, like different lithology can be possible in one deposit. So we should to make a wireframe for every lithology and waste body. That's called a ore body modeling. How to create a ore body modeling? Where we should to go to every section and digitize the ore body on every lithology and save it separately. Like in cement, if we are discuss about a cement deposit, like a limestone deposit, moderate metamorphic limestone deposit, where amphibolite, phyllite, limestone, pegmatite, this type of intrusions also occurred in limestone body. So the different lithology will be the limestone, pegmatite, phyllite, amphibolite. Here our ore body will be the limestone, and pegmatite, phyllite, amphibolite will be the waste. So we have to digitize the limestone body separately, and in waste body we have to digitize the pegmatite, amphibolite and phyllite. We can separate digitize and save in a same string object. Following this step, we can create a ore body model. This is how I have a separate video on this chapter, how to create a ore body. So please go to that video and understand and learn that how to create our body. Our body now, this wireframe is a hollow wireframe. Our body modeling, after completing our body modeling, we have a hollow wireframe of our body and waist body. Next step will be the creating the protom. Creating the protom. For protom, we have required minimum and maximum XYZ. For minimum XYZ, we will get it from the drill hole files, and maximum XYZ we will get from the TopoTR. For getting the minimum and maximum XYZ, the command required is states, STATS, states command. How the states command work and how we can get the minimum and maximum XYZ and other all information for our drill hole files or block model and the block models, what origin of block models, we can get from the command, states command, STATS, states command. For understanding the states commands, please see my video on my channel. Okay, then when we will get the minimum and maximum XYZ. So how it will be put in the states command. So our next step, how to create a protom and block model in following steps. First we will understand to creating a protom. First, for protom we have to type up command protom on in command bar. Command bar, where is the command bar? Here we will type the protom and then and command enter, then this window will be open. In output we will type protom, 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 then OK. Next after entering the protom, here we can see here he asking the questions, and questions will be shown in command box like here. First question will be is the mine out area required? So we have to type N, and for no we have to type N for no. Here we will type the N. The next question will be, are subcell to be used? Yes, subcells will be used for the creating protom and in block model. So we will type Y. Here we will type the Y. So a subcell option will be available for us. The next question will be the supply of coordinates of XYZ origin, means minimum of XYZ. It can be derived from states command or can be added by looking endpoints of least boundary. Minimum X, minimum Y, minimum Z will be given like here minimum X, minimum Y, minimum Z will be the given after given the minimum X, minimum Y, minimum Z. The next question will be the cell dimension. Cell dimension in X direction, Y direction and Z direction. Actually it depends on our grid pattern on which we have drill holes. Like we can give the X 50 meter in X direction, 100 meter in Y direction, and Z direction it can be given 10 meters. It is depend on our benching height. The next question will be the number of cell in each direction. How it get the number of cell is number of cell count is equal to X maximum minus X minimum divided by size of cell. like X maximum and Y minimum. After my X maximum minus Y minimum and cell size of cell will be taken 50 meter, which we have given in X direction, and 100 meter we have given in Y direction, and for Z it will be the 10 meter. Z maximum minus Z minimum and size of cell divided by size of cell, we will get the number of cells. So here we can give the number of cell. Then after enter and OK, the message will come that proton completed. Now we have to fill the cells in every ore body modeling. Every wireframe modeling we have already created, like ore body and waste body and topo model. So we have to fill that cell in every ore body, waste body and topo model. How for this, what command will be required? It is a yfill. We will type the yfill in command box. Command, and the window will be open. Here we can see in proton we will give that proton which we have already created, and in YTR, the YTR in which wireframe we are filling that cells. Like first we can take a topo model, topo TR, we can say topo TR, and the same topo PT. Point file of that topo TR will be given here, and model name we can give the name topo model. Then we will take the ore body TR of the ore body, point file of the ore body, and ore mod. We can give here the name in output file ore model. Then we next field command zone we can type the L lithological value which we have given in the lithology file for different numeric value of different lithological. Here we can type L numeric, so the zone will be decided on L numeric field. Here in parameter it will asking select where you want to make block model. Make the cells which we are going to filling, it will filling upside, inside or outside. It is asking, and one by one it will give the option. Type of the wireframe model to be filled with cell. Select one of the following option, with the default being one for what solid create cells inside, 2 for what surface create cells below, 3 for what surface create cells above, 4 what for surface create cells to the south, 5 for what create cells to the north, 6 for what create cells to the west, 7 for what create cells to the east. So if we will take the topo TR, then we will take the option below topo TR, create cells below. Then it will for topo TR it will be 2, and for ore body it will be 1. Always it will be 1. Ore body and waste body it will be always 1, because the cell will be filling inside the ore body and inside the waste body. Here it is again asking the cell minimum, cell maximum, and cell y minimum, x maximum, y minimum, y maximum, and z minimum, and z maximum. Size of the cell. Then OK. So the cell filling of the cells in hollow body is completed. Now we have different model like topo model, ore model, waste model. Topo model will be the separate, and we should to add the ore model and waste model. So the command will be the add mode. We have to type the add mode in command box, then the window will open like this. Which block models we are going to adding in one. The first model will given in one, and in two the second model will given in two. Like the waste, if the waste is the intrusions, your waste lithological is in a form of intrusion, then in mode will be taken a ore body, and in two will be taken a waste body. So the waste body can be filled in the ore body, and in output we can give the name of the output model. Here don't change in tolerance. Add result of last add mode and next block model of litho, and final block model will be the result of the process. Enter desired output name. Here the final model is completed, and it come in the add mode command, and final mode will be add with the topo mode. Same following the same steps. Then we get a final model 2. After getting the final model 2 will be cut by the wireframe of topo tr. Above topo will be the cut by the wireframe topo tr by the command of cell wf. Cell wf will be typing in command box. Here is the command box. Here the cell w, we will type the cell wf. Then the window will open cell wf. In cell wf, in field we will give the final block model 2, and by tr will be the topo tr, and by pt point file of the topo tr, and in output we will give a output file name like final model 2 dash topo, and then one more cutting is required here, by cutting by the lease boundary or by the surrounding boundary. For this we will take the command select C. Select C will be typed here in command box. Then the window will open like this. Input file we will give the final block model 2 dash topo, and in perimeter will be the lease boundary, and in output file we can give a complete model. Model block model underscore complete. This will be our completed final block model. So how we have learned that step, that how we can make a block model. I think you will like this video, and if you get some important points from this video, and please please like my video and share this video to your friends, and subscribe my channel. Your support will be required. Okay, then